era nga mbadde ndeese ekirabo simanyi eddi mutwaliwa sebo ogenda kugwa gotayanguwa Spice kino ekirabo kyakukwe tumanye ossaamu ssente ossaamu amaanyi ossaamu obudde era tubadde tulina akatono ke tuleese nga mukulu Jimmy yakalina Jimmy nga bwajja sipasi njagala kukakasa nti buli kirungi kyokola kigenda kukuddira ate ebirungi byerere bye bigenda okudda omwami ono alina ebbaasa gy'alina era mbadde nsaba agikukukwase ku lwaffe nga Caring Hearts Uganda ogende odduukirire all the autistic children who you're working with. Thank you very much and thank you all for coming out tonight. I bring love from Kamocha and from His Excellency. He loves you all. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, let me get your attention, please. Thank you for the love. Bana muzikirize. Mulamu wange fukamire mwebaze. Mwebale. Thank you so much. Omukyalo ono tebamalaga musitula. You all know that, but thank you. Ebase eno gisimulire wano oba waka. Thank you so much. As Jeno nga ndi mu kwetegeka nangamba nina ekirabo kyo. Thank you so much, mama.
Spicy ne mami abayizi twagala ekifaananyi kino mutunuleko eno waliwo abakamera abaagala ebifaananyi ebirungi mutunule eno sayidi tulage obuwagizi obwa tuwadike emikono
abakyala kulw'abakyala kulw'abavubuka kulw'abaana leka ndabe emikono ebiri mu bbanga for mami Barbie kulw'obumu fonna
Spotlight already funny muksikende zeko.
Emikono gyomu bbanga njagala okwebaza buli azze Keki ya Spice Diana. Ani alibeta keki ya Spice Diana. Kawa makatia. Owuya uli mu keeki eyo. Mwe buumi wange. Oh, DJ7. Everybody give it up for DJ7. Omusajja ono yali nnyo ennyonyi najja all the way from Tanzania. Mumumpere engalo ezammwe. Show him some love, everybody. Not everybody does that. Yali nnyo ennyonyi n'agamba let me come and represent Tanzania. DJ7. Akayimba katujooke. Wanji? Sorry, are you single? They're asking, are you single? 7, come on. Are you single?
Yeah, I'm single.
You heard him. Okay, so what is the number? Phone number? Thank you, 7. I want to say another big thanks to this team. Bushington, Ouma, ATS, Stage Jamurabeno is all they're making. Thank you so much. Manager Roger Mumpere Ngaleza Manya zili special. Mane Mogere Manager Roger Ngaleza Manya. One soldier, one army. Omusajja oyo yanamba spice one day olikuba cricket over. Not everybody believes in you, but respect and appreciate somebody akukiririzaamu. It's the way to go. So I want to say thank you, Manager Roger. My beautiful mom, I know you're in the VIP watching me. I love you, Mama. Kyagulanyi. Yetuvudde omanyiyo. I love you, Mom, so much. You're my mom, you're my father, you're my sister, you're my friend. Thank you so much. Big up to every artist in the building. Bane mukubira abayimbi akalulu akamanyi. You know what they have done for me. They have stood with me. They have posted me. They have done everything to advertise this show. So it's not about me. It is for the industry. So it means a lot. Thank you to every artist. I need the number. Thank you so much. Everybody, as I know, thank you so much. Are you ready for the action? Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Sure.